Welcome to my channel. I've always wanted to say that. So today I'm finally showing you the studio tour. I'm so excited. Ever since I launched my small business in January of 2020, so like 10 months ago, almost 11 months ago. Yeah, 10 months ago, I started off in my studio condo in Toronto. It was like 400 square feet. And if you don't know what a studio condo is, let me tell you. It's just one room, the kitchen's here, bed's here, windows here. It's just one room, literally a studio. And then like I had the bathroom and a closet. That is where I started XXL Scrunchie all by myself. I was running to the post office alone. I was going to get fabric like on a bus and like come back with like a big bag from the bus. Oh, I was sewing all the scrunchies there, just doing everything. So 2 weeks after I launched, I was feeling really overwhelmed. Like the orders, it was just, I could not handle it alone. So I called my mom and asked for help. Moved back home, took over my mom's entire living room, as you can see here. 8 months later, August, my birthday month, I felt like I was taking over too much space and I needed more space. Like I had so much stuff. My bedroom was covered. I was sleeping beside boxes. My closet wasn't my closet anymore. My closet was literally merch and scrunchies. Even the front closet to our house was scrunchies. It was just scrunchies everywhere. I can't believe it. Anyways, I was gonna lease a home, but I would rather put that rent money back to my parents. So I had the entire basement renovated for the XXL Scrunchie studio space. So now the money goes back into my parents and their home has a higher value for when they want to sell. It's a win-win, you know? So without further ado, let me give you a tour of the studio. By the way guys, my name is Tina and this is where I run my small business XXL Scrunchie & Co. This is where I do all the packaging. In this room is where I do all the sewing. But I'm gonna go through everything with you, go through all these little drawers on my studio tour. Okay, first thing when I walk in, very important, I got this like baby gate because hair gets everywhere, so sadly I had to block them out, so let's go. Alright, this is all my merch. I have a lot of clothes that I'm selling and I'm about to launch like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new clothing pieces. I have these crew necks, I have new bomber jackets, and every order gets a free sticker and a card, and on the back there's a message on how to get a discount for your next order. And on to your favorite part, the scrunchies. Ew, why did I sing like that? Okay, scrunchie time. I'm about to launch a new fall collection. So y'all, that's why everything is so like exploding. How pretty is this one? It's like exploding. So, okay, this is more sneak peek of the fall collection. Look at that orange though. I've been sewing these for like over a month. Look at that buffalo plaid. Hello. Obsessed. This one I know is gonna sell out. It is so pretty. And these ones I haven't even organized yet. On to my favorite part, the scrunchie wall. Named after my cousin. We have a funny story how she washed lipstick in the dryer and it got everywhere, so I named it the Han. Look at them all. So I sewed all of these myself. I've been sewing them all myself since January when I first started. But recently I got 2 new sewers to join my team. Oh, and if you see anything that you want or want to know where I got it, let me know. I'm so happy to share it. Just comment below. I have my scale for when I weigh things, which I rarely do because all the scrunchie weights I've entered in on my Shopify site are my stickers, because I also sell stickers. Some more discount codes up here. I throw in a couple orders. Bags. These are to be fixed scrunchies. This is where I do all the packaging. I stand right here. Package. As you can see, I was packaging earlier today. This is from this morning. Like, I'm so grateful. just from the morning. Like, I have a giant iPad and I do all my orders on here. Oh, and these are the scrunchies. This is the Juliet XXL and the mini. Packaging station, I have stickers here. And I write the names of everyone's order in their order, so this is where it goes before I package, so then I can grab it right away while I'm packaging. So these are 2 orders I haven't packaged yet. Yeah, it's like a discount code everyone gets with their order for their next purchase. This machine seals bags for me. It's like a heat sealer, so you can adjust the heat. This is a food sealer that I used to use before I discovered how fast this guy was. These are my orders I got today. So yeah, when I ordered, I just package, put on the sticker, and then pew. I have these like cool, these are like shelves to organize your dishes, but I put them under here to organize my mailers. Easy access when I'm grabbing, and very important, these mats. A standing mat, these are so soft. You need these if you're standing all day or standing for a little bit. You need to get these mats. I have all my cards organized here so I can write the names for when the orders come. Branded stickers. I have these like extra hang tags that I put on the clothing when someone makes a clothing purchase. These are scrunchie holders. They look like this and they organize your scrunchie. These are the tall ones and these are the short ones. And these are my mailers. I put them here. They're organized with like these letter trays because it's just easier that way. Here I have extra space for organizing when I have an order I don't need to package right away, and I put it there. Usually this is full, but this scrunchie has been selling out so fast, so I put this color here. It's called the NECA. These are my art prints that are also for sale. I love this storage thing. It's just so convenient. Welcome to my desk, where I update my website, design content, schedule social media, pretty much everything. This is how I organize my social media content. I write down what I want to post. This is where all the sample clothes are of all my size, because I always wear them for photos or videos. Dad's section, because he'll sit here, and whenever I'm done sewing scrunchies, I give him a big pile. There's always like one little tiny thread. Like, look at that. Can't barely see it right here. My machine cuts it to that length, and then I make a big pile, and my dad sits here, puts his light on. Where are his scissors? He grabs his scissors, cuts a little last thread for me. And here's his electric stapler, because he also puts these tags on for me. He'll put it on and then staple it. On here we have our stash of tags. All these stickers, he sticks on all of these on the back of my packages for me before they go out. All my thank you cards organized in here. I have lots of different thank you cards. Envelopes, other thank you cards. How cute, right? I have lots of variety. Because I always run out so fast, and now I have a stash, so it's amazing. This is my cleaning station. And yeah, let's go into the sewing room. So let's start over here, because this corner is like boring. It's just like stuff. We'll go to the sewing machine last, because that's the most exciting part. Okay, so this couch, super comfy. It was so like inconvenient to place it at first. I didn't know where to put it, but I love it there because I have this little cozy nook where I put the elastic through the scrunchies, and then I get to watch TV, or I'll usually sit there and put this ring light on me and I'll be on TikTok Live. Here are my extra packaging things. So yeah, I get them from Uline. Super convenient. Yeah. Poly mailers. I label them so I know which one's which, because they all look the same if you don't label them. We should probably address this mess. So these are scrunchies for the new collection. They just need the last seam closed. So I sew them closed with the same color. So I haven't gotten to these ones yet, but they're launching in a few days. Look at them all. Anyways, these are fabrics my mom cut. She cuts these all by hand. Her new cut Hi, scissors. Yeah, there's lots. This is for me to sew into scrunchies. I haven't had a pile up so much, but I guess I've fallen behind. But this should take me like 2 days to finish. They look like this. Need elastic to go through them. And then after, they look like this. Hello. These are my threads. Obsessed with organizing them like this. I have extra thread here. I have my fabric tags here. I'll show you more of that later. And I have my stash of elastics here. Keep this on my sewing machine at night, every night, because dust is a silent killer, okay? Dust is a silent killer. It's the Juki 2010 TQ. Let me show you the cool things that it. First of all, it comes with this cool table, which I find super helpful when I'm sewing. It has a knee lever, like look. This is the knee lever, and this is what it does. Can you tell? It lifts up this foot, otherwise you'd have to go like this all the time. I can sew so fast because of this knee lever. It auto cuts the thread, look at this. Press this button. The thread cuts automatically. The quality that this machine has, thank you so much. Sewing on my mom's machine before. And then I have these, all my tags are usually right here, because every scrunchie gets one. It just popping out. Got these shelves. I put command strips behind them because I don't trust that adhesive, but yeah, so helpful. Like all this stuff was just here, so cluttered, but now it's like so easy to reach for my thread. I guess that's it for my sewing room. I thought there was more. If you want to know what I did before XXL Scrunchie, I was a full-time mural artist, and you can check out the latest mural I did here in a downtown Toronto restaurant. Thanks for watching.